Hey guys, I made a snowflake pillow. First I cut out and assembled my template. I used pins to keep the sheets in place. For my fabric, I used this old blanket. With the back sides facing out, I pinned 2 layers of fabric together for the front and back pieces. I traced the template using a washable marker. I left this part as my opening. I sewed the 2 layers together using a sewing machine. Remove the pins and trim around the seam. Cut slits at the parts that curve in. Then turn it inside out. I used a crochet hook to help shape it. Stuff it with polyfiber fill. Then close the opening. I used a ladder stitch. To do this, knot the end of your thread. Starting from under the fabric, bring your needle up. Go across and make a stitch. Go across again and make another stitch. Continue the pattern. Knot the end and tuck in the knot. And here's how it turned out.